Okay, so now we'll be discussing about the Japanese encephalitis virus. It is not mentioned in the first state since it is endemic to Asia. It is most commonly seen in India, Indonesia, Nepal, Pakistan regions. It was seen in Korea and Japan, but due to robust vaccination, the cases have basically reduced over there. Continuing, J virus is basically belonging to the family Flaviviridae. It belongs to arbovirus group, and it contains single-stranded RNA, and the vector which transmits the virus to human is basically the Culex mosquito. The virus exhibits two types of transmission cycles: pigs Culex pigs or Adrid birds Culex Adrid birds. Pigs act as the amplifier host. Human is the dead end host over here. And the J virus may even infect horses and cattle. It usually infects human child less than 15 years, and its outbreak corresponds to the outbreak of mosquitoes, which is the temperate or the tropical climate. The incubation period is around 5 to 15 days, and it exhibits the iceberg phenomenon. That is, the subclinical cases are in majority compared to the clinical cases. In fact, the ratio of clinical to subclinical cases is it ranges from 1:300 to 1:1000. You can see how many number of subclinical cases are there of J viruses. The virus basically exhibits three stages of clinical manifestation. The first stage is the prodromal state, which is a febrile state. There will be fever. It can be either abrupt, acute, or subacute. Abrupt, which is basically continuing for around 1 to 6 hours, acute 6 to 24 hours, or subacute 2 to 5 days. The prodromal stage is followed by the acute encephalitic stage, which is characterized by the acute onset of fever, mental confusion, disorientation, delirium, seizures, or even coma. After the acute encephalitic stage comes the late stage, in which the patient might recover, which is the maximum probability. It might lead to disability, or the patient might even die. The case fatality for J virus is around 20 to 40% in India. The treatment is only and only supportive. There are no specific antiviral drugs available for it. The laboratory diagnosis involves basically MAC ELISA and molecular method. MAC ELISA is basically what happens is there is the capture antibody, which is the anti-human IgM, which is already there on the plate, to which the primary antibody produced against the antigen which is present in the patient serum binds, to which we again make the recombinant antigen bind, and to which a secondary antibody conjugate binds, which is basically linked to an enzyme, and the substrate finally converts to chromogen. And this is specific for arboviruses. Why do we do such a complicated procedure? To improve the sensitivity and specificity. Over here, the recombinant antigen used is JERA, JE recombinant antigen. This is about MAC ELISA. The second thing is molecular method. Molecular method involves real-time RT-PCR or RT-PCR, which detects the envelope gene in the blood. Okay, this is all about laboratory diagnosis. Now, the most important thing is vaccine. The vaccine for J virus is available in two forms. The one including in the national immunization schedule is the live attenuated vaccine, which has the strain SA14142. Okay, this is the strain of virus which is available in the live attenuated vaccine. It is prepared on the it is prepared on cell lines, and most common used cell line is the primary hamster kidney cell lines. Under NIS, it is included, and it is administered to children aged between 1 to 15 years. It basically 2 doses are given, 0.5 ml subcutaneously on the left upper arm. One dose will be given between 9 to 12 months of age, and the other dose is ideally given between 16 to 24 months of age. This is about live attenuated vaccine. The other is the inactivated J vaccine, which is available for adults and children greater than 3 years of age. It is grown in the Vero cell culture, and it is given intramuscularly of the same dose, 0.5 ml. There is also a combined vaccine which is being developed, which has the strain for JE vaccine and yellow fever vaccine strain 17D. This is the combined vaccine which is being developed now. So this is all about JE virus. I hope you understood.